All right, so we'll start our press conference here with head coach Callie Wheeler, Morgan Gentile, and Gabby McDuffy. Coach, if you just give us kind of some opening comments on the game, and then we'll open up for questions.
Yeah, I'm really proud of my team. I think that we had a long week. We were coming off of a championship loss, and I didn't really know how they were going to respond. Either knew that they were going to be hungry, or we were still going to be thinking about that loss to Kutztown, and emotionally, it was going to negatively impact us. But I'm really proud of them and how they band together and they came out and executed game plan. First time all season we played a zone, and I didn't really know how they were going to react to that, but they trusted our coaching staff, and I'm just really proud of them. They've been battle tested all year, and going into this week, we battled more sickness, believe it or not, and I thought we responded really well, and they united as a team. And Virginia State team fought hard. I applaud them for their effort. They didn't give up. They fought for 40 minutes, and I thought we responded really well to their runs. That third quarter, they scored a lot of points, but then we settled in and we responded to that run. But I'm really proud of them and the energy and effort they brought today.
Callie, to that point, in the first quarter, the defensive intensity the group came out with, I think it was 3 or 4 blocks. How nice was that, to your point, to see the intensity they brought to start things off?
Absolutely. That's all we talked about was our energy and our effort. Before the game, I said, I know you're going to make mistakes. We talked about playing through our mistakes because I feel like in that championship game, there were mistakes, but we dwelled on it. And I just asked them to go out and play 40 minutes with relentless energy and effort. And, I think they responded really well to that.
And I'll talk to you. There's questions for you both. Five of you in double figures. Just again, kind of the example of sharing the basketball. What does that mean to kind of just see that each of you had your moments?
Yeah, I think obviously it's really helpful having five people on the court that can all be an offensive threat. And tonight having not only just one or two people, having five people scoring double figures is really big. And I think that's going to be a really good confidence boost for us moving into the next game.
Yeah, I agree. I think it's amazing how we share the ball. I know every time I score, it's always because someone else is setting each other up to be successful. So it's just amazing how we trust each other. We move the ball, and we know that if we pass it one more, they're gonna knock that shot down. So it's awesome.
Callie, one of the big contributors tonight, obviously, Rachel Manfredo. Obviously, you have a number of veterans on this team. To see that from such a young player in a game like this, her first playoff action.
Absolutely. I'm really proud of her. I thought she responded really well from that championship game. She didn't get many minutes in that championship game, but she came out and was kind of that spark off the bench for us. We know what she's capable of. We see it every day in practice. And, I'm really glad that she came in and wasn't nervous, was excited to show everybody what she can do. And she was a major impact for us. I'm really proud of her. I mean, that's a tough environment for a freshman to go out there with that crowd. And, shout out to our community, our university, our athletes, our athletic department. I thought it was one of the best crowds we've ever performed in as long as I've been here.
You had such a high shooting percentage in the first half, especially in the second quarter there. What can you say about just the quality shots you guys got as a team?
We knew coming into this game, shot selection was huge. In that Kutztown game, we shot 27 threes, and that's not our identity. And we talked about that coming into this tournament, that no matter who we play or what type of defense they play, we cannot lose our identity. And I thought they responded really well by getting paint touches. That was one of the point of emphasis. We got to get paint touches if we want to get high percentage shots. And we always talk about shot selection. We always tell them to find the highest percentage shot. And when we work the ball, we're going to find that. But I thought Morgan did a really good job early in transition, having her eyes up and getting those leak outs. She hit Ashton and Rachel in stride quite a bit, and I thought that opened the game for us.
Correct me if my memory's off. Is this your first NCAA tournament win?
First NCAA tournament win.
How does
yes,
that feel?
yes.
What's that mean to you?
It's a great feeling, but all glory to God for this opportunity. We were blessed with another opportunity. We were obviously very disappointed with the conference championship game, but God has been blessing us all year and, providing our strength and our power. And I'm really proud of these girls sitting next to me and the girls in the locker room. They've bought into our system and our culture. And at Edinboro, our culture is very different. than the normal culture. We really care about who you are, not what you do, and they've all bought into that. And I'm really excited. But I think we still have some unfinished business that we want to take care of.
Defense in such a short period, how much confidence does that give you on such a quick turnaround for these girls?
Absolutely. I mean, again, they were bought in. They probably thought, oh my gosh, she is crazy that she wants to jump to a zone. We might have played like 5 possessions of zone all year, but we knew coming in and seeing their shot chart that if we were gonna beat them, we had to stop them in the paint. They have a great player, number 33. She's a phenomenal player inside. She gave us trouble in the second half. But yeah, it's huge, and we've been building our runs on defense, and for them to buy into the change going into the NCAA tournament, it makes me happy as a coach that they're all in.
For both players, I'll go Gabby first. Just what does it mean to play in the NCAA tournament at home? What's this like?
It's awesome. It's an opportunity I haven't got in my career yet. So it's just amazing. And it means the world to be able to do it with such amazing teammates.
Yeah, I mean, it's a really great feeling. Like Coach Callie said, like the atmosphere in the gym today was just amazing. And no other team kind of got that type of energy from their fans. I mean, it's harder traveling. So being able to play at home in front of our fans on our court, it's definitely a really good feeling.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Thank you.